Do you find the idea of saving money fun? Of course not. Few people do. The average savings of a 25-year-old are only $3,200. Regardless of your current financial situation, it's one of the best things you can do for yourself. Saving money is essential for unexpected expenses, job loss, medical needs, or other problems. It's also a great way to achieve your goals, like buying a car, moving out, or taking a vacation without going into debt. In this video, we'll explain why it's crucial, share a few tips, and tell you where to start. Saving money is tough, especially when you're young. However, it's easier than you may think. There's also an advantage you might not be aware of, which is that it's never too early to start. The earlier you build up your savings, the more time you'll have to make use of it. So, how do you start saving money? Well, here are 5 simple steps that will help. 1. The best first step is to set a goal. What are you saving for? A new gaming PC? A car? A trip around the world? Staying motivated is essential, and knowing what you're working towards will help you stay focused. You might be surprised by the amount of content out there that can help make things easier. The most obvious one would be YouTube. From awesome personal finance channels to countless success stories, you can always find a video that will help keep you in the zone and even teach you something valuable about managing your finances better. 2. When you say savings, most people think about spending hours on Excel sheets, calculations, expense tracking, and etc. Budgeting doesn't have to be a buzzkill. And the 50-30-20 rule will help ensure that you don't die of boredom before enjoying the fruits of your labor. It's easy. Use 50% of your income on needs like rent, food, insurance, and other must-haves. Use 30% on your wants, entertainment, gadgets, holidays, and other non-essentials. Use the remaining 20% to reach your savings goals. This is as simple as it gets, and trust me, it works. Just try it out. Okay, let's say your monthly income is $2,000. You'd spend $1,000 on essentials, $600 to treat yourself, and most importantly, stash $400 away for a rainy day. After a year, you'd have $4,800 in savings. That's a nice chunk of change, enough to even maybe buy a PS5 now. 3. Investing is another option for those who want to boost their savings. If you're determined to keep money stashed for a while, it's a good idea to invest it and earn a little extra. There are quite a few options here, from stocks and bonds to certificates of deposits or CDs and annuities. Keep in mind that they all have their benefits and risks. Make sure you do your homework and gather enough information before you decide to invest. 4. Setting up a passive income source is another great option, especially for those who want to ensure their savings grow while keeping things as risk-free as possible. It's a no-brainer. Creating a blog, writing ebooks, designing and selling t-shirts, there are many ways you can use your skills to slowly grow your savings. I know what you're thinking. All of these suggestions require an investment of time and expertise. Well, what if you want to have a passive income source without any effort at all? Pawns.app is where that's at. You can get steady earnings by simply running the app and sharing your unused bandwidth. It doesn't get easier than that. Also, you can spend a few minutes a day completing surveys. We all have some time to kill throughout the day, so why not turn that into cash? Pawns.app is available worldwide. Anyone can join, and earning with it is now 100% effortless. Check out www.pawns.app to learn more and get started right now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't hesitate to share your favorite money saving tips in the comments. Also, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. See you on the next one, guys.